Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on WIKO U Pulse. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here on the top find the Firefox. It should look like this, and we can hit the install button. When it's finally ready, click on the open. Here we can customize the browser with different theme, toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, change between different privacy protection settings, and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on Start Browsing. This should open a normal browser. We can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.